Hi, this is Sia from the GoodX team. Today, we will be going over how to use payment links or QR codes for patients to make simple, instant and secure payments to the practice. The practice can either send an SMS containing the payment link, or you can email the patient a statement which will contain a QR code. Both payment links and QR codes will direct the patient to the myGC portal where the payment process will occur. Please note that these payment methods are not readily available for every practice. Therefore, the practice must contact their designated FCL to set up the payment link functionality. This demonstration video will go over the steps that must be taken by both the practice and the patient to use the payment link or QR code effectively. First, we will go over the steps that the practice must take to send a payment link or QR code. Once the patient has seen the practitioner, on the diary screen, you can click on the desired booking for the diary sidebar to open. Scroll down and click on Send Payment Request, and an SMS with the payment link will be sent to the patient. In instances where there is no scheduled appointment for the patient and you would still like to send a payment request to the patient, you can also access the account details screen from the Debtor tab on the navigation wheel. Once we are on the debtor screen, simply click on the search bar and enter the debtor's number, name, or any other information to find your specific debtor. Click on the debtor and the account details screen will open, and the payment request button will be available on the sidebar. A confirmation pop-up will appear letting you know that the SMS has been sent successfully. Once the SMS has been received by the patient can simply click on the link provided to be directed to the myGC portal, which will be discussed later in this video. For more information on how to make payments using the payment request link, please refer to the Making a Payment with a Payment Request link user manual linked in this video's description. Alternatively, you can email the patient a copy of their statement, which you can do by clicking on the Statement drop-down menu and selecting Email Statement. A statement will be sent to the patient with the QR code located at the bottom right of the statement. Using their mobile phone, the patient will then be able to scan the QR code and be directed to the myGC app. For an in-depth explanation regarding QR codes on statements, please refer to the QR code on statement user manual linked in this video's description. Once the payment link has been opened, either via SMS or QR code, the patient will be directed to the myGC app, where they will first have to confirm their identity by entering their cell phone number, surname, or ID number. Once that is done, the patient can click Continue to be directed to the payment screen. Here, the patient must check that the practitioner's name and the billed amount are accurate. For more information on how to navigate this entire payment journey, please refer to Making a Payment with a Payment Request link user manual linked in this video's description. And finally, once the payment has been processed, an ERA will notify the practice that the payment has been successfully completed.